Hello everybody, this is Teacher Raquel and welcome to another English class. Today we have a very nice class. But first I have a question. Do you like cooking? Yes, me too. First we are going to start with a warm-up. Simon says, move your shoulders. Everybody shoulders, 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 shoulders. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your head. Simon says, let's dance. Everybody dance now. Dancing and dancing and dancing, dancing, dancing. Simon says, freeze. And Simon says, let's jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, now we're ready to start. Okay, so you said that you like cooking, right? Today we are going to learn some cooking verbs. Are you ready? Excellent. The first cooking verb that we are going to learn is this one. Cut. To cut. Excellent. To cut. We can cut a lemon. We can cut a banana. Cut. The second verb is to chop. To chop is like make small pieces of a veggie or a fruit or whatever. For example, let's chop a potato. Let's do the actions with teacher. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Excellent. Chop, chop, chop. To chop. Very good. The third one is to slice. Slice, slice, slice. Okay, when we talk about cut, it's just one time. Cut. Let's cut the apple, okay? But now we are going to slice. Like in pieces. Just like we can slice the banana. We can slice some cheese. Slice. Everybody, slice. Excellent. Now we are going to mash. Everybody mash. Mash, mash, mash. We can mash some bananas. We can mash some potatoes. Very good. Do you like mashed potatoes? I love mashed potatoes. So this is to mash. Everybody, mash, mash, mash. Cut. Chop, 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 chop. Slice, slice, slice. Now, squeeze. Squeeze. Everybody, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. One more time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. What fruits can we squeeze? Can we squeeze a banana? No, right? Can we squeeze a lemon? Yeah, we can squeeze lemons and oranges, okay? Squeeze. Very good. Now we are going to peel. Everybody, peel, peel, peel. Peel, peel, peel. Let's peel an apple. Let's peel a banana. Let's peel, what else can we peel? An orange? Peel. Excellent. Now we are going to pour. Pour, pour, pour. Everybody, pour, pour, pour. Excellent. We can pour liquid things. For example, milk, water, coffee, hot chocolate. Everybody, pour, 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 pour. Very good. Then we are going to learn to break. Everybody, let's break 3 eggs. Break, 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 break. Excellent. Okay, so let's practice. Everybody, let's chop an onion. Chop, 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 chop. Everybody, let's peel a banana. Everybody, let's slice an onion. Slice. Everybody, let's pour some milk on the glass. Pour, pour, pour. Everybody, let's mash some potatoes. Mash, mash, mash. Mash, mash, mash. Okay, now just 3 more. Mix. Everybody, let's mix the soup. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Excellent. And then we have taste. To taste. Let's taste the soup. How's the soup? Yummy or yucky? Yum. Let's taste the pizza. How's the pizza? Yummy or yucky? Yummy! And now let's serve. Serve, serve, serve. Excellent. Okay, now we are going to have a Simon Says. Listen to teacher and you have to do the actions. Simon says, cut a lemon. Simon says, chop an apple. Chop, 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 chop. Excellent. Simon says, squeeze an orange. Squeeze. Yes. Simon says, break 2 eggs. Excellent. Simon says, let's peel a banana. Peel, very good. Simon says, let's mix the spaghetti. Simon says, let's pour some coffee in here, please. Pour, pour, pour. Very good. And Simon says, let's taste the soup. Very good, guys. Okay, our last practice is going to be this one. Look at teacher and tell me, what is teacher doing? What is this? To slice or to chop? To chop! What is this? To squeeze or to slice? Slice! Very good. What is this? To chop or to pour? Yes, to pour. And what is this? To mix or to taste? Excellent. So let's go fast, 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 fast and practice these verbs, and then we are going to have a delicious cooking class. Bye-bye.